Welcome to Kryptiko. This is the moment that changes everything. Right now, you're standing on the edge of a world that's shifting faster than ever before. Rising costs, climate chaos, technological disruption, these aren't headlines, they're our reality. Kryptiko is here to confront these truths, to prepare you for what others ignore, and to transform today's challenges into tomorrow's strengths. Let's be honest, we've enjoyed a comfortable existence thanks to a legacy of service and sacrifice. We promised each other to learn from our mistakes and remain vigilant. Instead, we have been lulled into a false sense of urgency, distracted by our technology, and dismissive of our idle consumption of attention, junk food, and information as storm clouds gather. Kryptiko's mission is simple: cut through the BS, face the facts, and provide you with the tools to thrive in an exciting but uncertain world.
Kryptiko is a social learning network built to help you master real-world resilience. Think of it as your survival toolkit in our chaotic times. If you want to assemble a 72-hour emergency kit, effectively defend yourself, be a responsible leader, or dive into the world of open-source intelligence gathering, perhaps you just want to grow your own food, we've got you covered. No scare tactics, just skills designed for the UK's unique challenges and perspective. Whether it's through straightforward guides, self-paced courses, virtual events, or immersive training, Kryptiko is your bridge from fear to readiness. We want you to know exactly what to do when disaster strikes so you can be decisive, confident, and capable.
Britain has always risen to the challenge. Through wars, economic downturns, and social upheaval, we've found strength in unity and resilience. Kryptiko draws on this legacy, translating the resourcefulness of the past into actionable tools for today. Acts of heroism and compassion on the home front and battlefields alike. These must never just be stories. The grit and determination the people of Britain have demonstrated in the past must always be a living legacy that evolves into vigilance and integrity. We've faced adversity before, and we've come out humbled and stronger for it. We adapted and rediscovered our high standard of virtue and solidarity.
We envision a nation that's resilient and self-reliant. Imagine communities where every individual has valuable knowledge and skills and knows how to respond to crises and adapt to change. Kryptiko turns preparation into a lifestyle built on your own terms. We're about surviving today to thrive tomorrow. We want to help create a culture of strength, accountability, and action.
Among other things, Kryptiko is different because we are openly embracing AI and gamified engagement. We want to create new opportunities for those prepared to adapt. We want you to stay ahead of the false narrative, to see past the robot uprising, doom scrolling, and fear-mongering. Instead, we want to help you take advantage of the new era with timeless strategies for adapting to a rapidly changing world. We'll guide you through economic uncertainty, misinformation, and conflict with practical advice.
We are experimenting with content creation and aim to grow alongside our community. Here's what you can expect. Weekly videos tackling the UK's most pressing issues, mini documentaries, intel reports, and guides packed with insight and real-life strategies, from building digital skills to mastering sustainable living. We want every video to inspire ideas you can put into action, but we're not stopping there. After all, Kryptiko is, at its core, a community, a network of resilience where we will expand on everything you see here. The objective of every upload, every course, and every ebook is to provide you with tangible steps, checklists, field manuals, templates, and more. Our videos provide new perspectives, our courses will challenge you. All of our content is designed to provide knowledge and empower you to be independent and reliable. We want to be more than a channel, a trend, or an educational resource. Our success won't be measured in likes, subscribers, or views. It's measured in your readiness and resolve.
This is your invitation to take control. Subscribe now. Join the Kryptiko community. Learn, share, act. And when you're ready to go further, explore the ARCS protocol, our immersive, gamified crisis training. Kryptiko is a call to action to be a responsible and self-reliant civilian. Your journey towards freedom and security starts now.